Assalamu alaikum all of you. Today's our topic is to construct tangents to a circle from a point outside it. This is actually theorem 11.3. Theorem 11.3, and it is construction is here. I will write the steps here. First step is that draw a circle of any radius. So first step is that we will draw a circle of any radius. This is circle of any radius. In the question it will be given what is the radius, but here you can take any radius. Okay, this is center of the circle, this point is center of the circle, and question is telling us that we have to take a point outside the circle. So it will be here, 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 or here, at any position but outside the circle. So we will take a point P here outside the circle. For example, this is point P, it is outside the circle. This is point P. So second step is that we have to take a point P outside the circle. And third step is we'll join OP. Now what we have to do? We have to bisect this line. First of all, I will show you how to bisect a line. For example, this is a line OP. इस line OP को हमें bisect करने के लिए ये steps ध्यान में रखने हैं. That radius should be greater. Radius should be greater than half of OP. Radius should be greater than half of OP. So it is O. Here one arc, here another arc, then P as center. Same radius as in previous step, and we'll join this. This is the point which is point M and which shows midpoint of the circle of this line OP. Now listen here. Same we have to bisect this very line OP. So O as center, radius greater than half of OP. We will draw two arcs in this way. We have to join now these 2 points here, one point and another point. These will join. Okay. This is point M. M is the midpoint of OP. So what is third point? Third point is that draw perpendicular bisector of OP such that M acts as a midpoint. M acts as a midpoint. Now with M as center, and radius equal to OP or OM. We will draw another circle. So with O, this is point O. With M as center and radius equal to OM. Or MP, will draw a circle which intersects these 2 points. These two circles at 2 points, at point Q and point R. So with M as center and radius equal to OM or PM, Draw another circle. Draw another circle. Draw another circle which I will write here this very step, first step, with M as center and radius equal OM or OP or EM because they are same. Draw another circle which intersects the previous circle at 2 points, namely Q and R. ये Q और R पे टच कर रहा है. Now, as in the question it is given where to draw the tangent from a point outside it. Circle पे ड्रा करना है तो वो पॉइंट्स दो हमें चूज हो गए Q and R. And we'll draw tangent from point P. So we'll join this P and Q. This PQ and this is PR. This is PR and this is PQ. So PQ and step number 6. Join PQ and PR. Then PQ and PR are required tangents to a circle. Justification. So I will conclude this very video. To consider a tangent or a circle from a point outside it, we have to draw a tangent to a circle or from a point outside the circle. I will repeat this and justification I will upload in the next video. So first step is that draw a circle of any radius. So first step is that we have to draw a circle of any radius. So with O as center, convenient radius, we draw a circle. Second is that take a point P outside the circle. पॉइंट P लेना है सर्कल के बाहर, तो यहाँ पे है सर्कल के बाहर एक पॉइंट P, इससे बाहर हमने पॉइंट लिया P, तो ज्वाइन किया हमने OP. सो OP भी ज्वाइन OP. फिर हमने इस पे परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रा किया लाइक दिस. O एज सेंटर, इधर हमने एक आर्क ड्रा की, यहाँ पे और एक, फिर P यहाँ पे और एक आर्क ड्रा की एंड यहाँ पे और एक, वो ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे. वी ज्वाइन दिस लाइन एंड M acts as a middle point. Now with M as center and radius equal to OM लेना है, PM इक्वल है. हम अनदर सर्कल ड्रा करेंगे लाइक दिस. हमने यहाँ पे सर्कल अनदर ड्रा किया, तो ये सर्कल टच कर रहा है दो पॉइंट्स पे Q एंड R पे. हमने ज्वाइन किया PQ एंड PR को, तो ये दो टेंजेंट्स हो गए और इनकी लेंथ्स होगी इक्वल. एंड वी हैव टू जस्टिफाई दिस एंड जस्टिफिकेशन आई विल इंशाल्लाह अपलोड इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Hope you got this very question. If you have any confusion, you can simply comment in the comment section and I will inshallah recapitulate that.